All right, here we got a little John Deere chainsaw. It's been in before for tune-ups and stuff, but now they say it's got a little bit of a leak. Well, of course, it's down over here where it's the lowest part of the saw. So now I just have to take off a couple of doors and covers and thingamajigs. That was 3 screws there. You missed that. So I'm just going to keep taking stuff off until I can get at some gas lines. The tank's over here, but it doesn't hurt to have a look, get a better understanding. It says made in Japan. Okay, here we go. Hi, girl. Management. She's, I was repairing a lawnmower for a lady and it's done. So. Okay, well, there's nothing exciting in there. I'm just going to take this to the back door and blow it up. Yeah, I got to do this outside. Okay, I got it. I think. Right here is the output of the gas tank. It's full of gas right now, if you see that. And I've got it sitting at an angle so that the top is full all the way around. And if it starts to drip, we'll know that it's the tank. But I think that's the grommet where the gas line comes out of, right there where my finger is. And this is the gas line itself. And I know it sounds goofy, but I can blow air past there. And you said it leaked until it got to 3/4. Well, if this was sitting like, okay, there it is there, but if it was sitting like that, it would drain out the back and down. That's probably why it's so very clean there. But I can probably blow, I know it's gross, you guys have probably all done this, it's like siphoning gas when you were a kid. But I can put the grommet in my mouth and blow air past it, and that's got gas sitting right there, eh? So I'm going to see if I got a gas line, because this kind of stuff's hard to find. If I got a gas line that's a little wider in diameter, and then we'll just put a filter on it with hopefully the same internal diameter. I don't know. Well, I got this back together again with my new Tygon fuel line that was just slightly larger diameter. But look, on this carburetor, I'm just reassembling it, and this seal is on here tight, and it's in the wrong spot. I'm gonna just drill out a little tiny spot there. Oh, there we go. Carb spray, my buddy. I'm just doing a poor man's tune-up on this carburetor here. It's been a while since I've done one of these ones with a sideways screw, or diagonally positioned screw, that's all. Needle. Get the dirt out of the seat. Pour a little gas in there. Just because I have gasitis on the diaphragm. And this should float on the spring. And it's not behaving. There. The angle looks a little better. That feels better. Okay, my friend. Doesn't take much. Good. That should work. I'm ready to pack it in, man. I think so. Aha. Let's do it. Come on, baby. Okay, stuff that's left. Light! Light! There we go. Okay, handle. Da, 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 da. All right, here's that cute little John Deere chainsaw. Turn the throttle on, throttle lock, choke, and it should start. Good enough. Bruce here.
Hey Bruce, Keith here.
Opening door.
Just leaving downtown.
Oh, thanks, Keith. Okay, that's good. Bye.
Okay.
There you go.